What is up, guys? Shitty day. It's not cold out. It's so weird. It's in like the 40s, 50s. It's January. I am not complaining. No, I was thinking, there's nothing like a stock seat in a car where it has good sliders. It just feels good. And I was like, wait a second. I still have the stock seats from my coupe. Here they are. I dug them out of the attic. So let's load these things up and head to the shop, shall we? Got the seats all loaded. The van's good. Minus the little exhaust leak, but I mean. People pay big money for tunes like that. Seats loaded. Let's hit the road. Got the seats here. I'm gonna blow them off, dust them off, clean them, wipe them down, make them nice, presentable, and throw them in my car. Adjusted the front. The wheels still don't fit. These coils, it needs a little more camber. The DR series, it's more of like a track style coil. It doesn't allow you to have crazy camber. Anyways, the seats are in. The stock look is such a good look. So the seats are just very 90s style. They're in good shape, minus the burn hole right here. Two little burn holes. They be smoking in Japan, but I think that looks very nice. Yeah, I just want to keep it simple in here. I don't want a crazy bucket seat. And personally, I think all of the low sliders and seat brackets, they all sit up very high. It's like I'm in a high chair. Stock seats are good. Sanding these down because we will be painting the car soon, and these will be getting put on the hatch. Like it's a must. I think it looks killer. If you guys seen it in the last video. If you guys missed last video, you're sleeping. A lot of crazy ideas with the hatch. A lot of good ideas. When I say crazy, I don't mean that in a bad way. I mean that in an excellent way. We test fitted the 19 equips that were on the 370. I think it looks absolutely killer. Put the Type R wing on it. E-brake again, so all of the rear brakes are all set up. What I have to do is, it's not worth filming, but for the rest of the night, I'm probably just gonna go crazy sanding these down. Ant is next door cutting up his car with Brian. Matter of fact, let's go see what they're doing. Look from here. The crazy wing, big wide wheels. Enough of me talking about it. I wanna do this so bad, but it's much easier said than done to do the damn thing. It's a lot of work, a lot of money, and the car would be damn near useless cutting it up like that. But I'm all for that. This makes me happy. I picture it. I can picture it in my head. You guys could probably, most of you are just like, oh wow, big wheels that don't fit. But if they did fit and they did have the proper fenders on it and work, it would be game over. Let's go see what Ant's doing. You dumbass is doing. Bri, look what I got you. Bri, look, want a beer?
What are you looking at?
You got it
in a mirror.
Listen, you got after you drink that.
Idiot.
After you drink that, who are you talking to? After you drink that, you gotta smash that over Ant's head.
Listen, I'm not gonna do that. To
Ant, I got you son too.
friend Ant.
Little fruity drink. That one's for me. What have you guys been doing?
Even if I did what? No, that's for me.
What have you guys been doing this whole time?
These look nice.
You see me? Working, kids. Seats in.
Yeah, you've been working on the fucking interior. He's
You're
dust.
No, I didn't finish the list.
It's number 2. He did one thing so far.
You know what this looks like, Bri? Can you tell what I've been doing?
Sweet baby.
Sanding and cutting. The quarters in the hatch. Look at my hands.
Right, he wouldn't even know where to start.
What is?
He can barely wipe his own ass.
Listen, what a chainsaw, you dumbass. Cutting his damn car up. He's going.
I was saying, some people cut it and just leave it like that. Who the fuck?
Yeah, of course,
I
yeah.
see it all the time.
Yeah, they don't care. They just want their car to do what, Bri? Rip.
Piss off their neighbors.
Yeah.
Working after hours tonight, James. What brings you here so late? 7:45.
Yeah, I've been good. I've been trying to get out of here sooner as of lately.
But then you're working. It's a good thing.
It's a great thing.
Smoking that dope right now, Bri, or can I film?
No, I'm not smoking anything right now.
Let me see the progress. Why didn't you guys go the stitch weld route?
Stitch weld?
Yeah, the chassis. You never did that one either, Bri, right?
Yeah, he stitch weld.
Oh, you have?
You wanted a stitch weld.
What are you talking about?
I
actually brought it up yesterday, so
I wasn't here.
don't even run your mouth.
He did this side. I didn't show you guys that, but that side was pretty almost in the earth.
I'll let you get on with your stupid video.
So for the rest of the night, I think we're gonna go take a drive down to Mike G's, a little stroll. The Pope is supposed to be making an appearance. We're gonna go check up on them and see what they're doing and see where the night brings me. I probably can't bring you where I'm gonna be for the rest of the night, but we'll start at Mike G's and then go from there. Today is the day. A-series is here.
I hope you didn't need that.
No, that's no good. It's junk. Okay.
It's a cute clutch.
Why cute?
It's tiny. It's small like my dick.
Good day, good day, good day. Okay, well here it is underneath. Very dirty, as you can see. Very common thing back here. So now I got some new hardware. We're gonna mate the engine stand holder to the block. Fast forward to it being on the block. Just like that, the thing is on. So now the fun part. Calling all troops. You know, did you ever lift a K series by yourself? No? Today's your lucky day. So if my calculations are correct, okay.
Okay. Well. That looks interesting.
It's way harder to do.
I think more too.
That's impossible now.
You can't pick it up at all.
No.
What's going on?
Help, please.
Where are you?
I need help. Is Jimmy there and Steve?
Yep.
I need help.
Okay.
I dropped my engine.
Okay, coming.
Okay.
You definitely did.
I tried putting it up by myself and I hurt my back and it fell.
Why did you do that?
That must have been dramatic.
They dared me.
Awful spot for you to stand, first of all.
What's it gonna
Tip it up.
Do it.
That's what I tried doing.
Watch your shoe.
Hey, is this where I bring the cat?
Holy shit!
This is the litter box.
Idiot just dropped his motor.
I heard. Scream told me.
Hello.
So, you're a man to talk to about some luminescent wheels.
This is what I tried to do. I gotta take everything off and clean it, which is a
That was already like that.
very
Was it?
dirty engine, but they're all like this. Good when you have a dirty engine though, Grant, because when you clean it,
Yeah, it's good before and after, and it's preserving everything.
the oil.
The oils, making sure you can get the bolts off, you know?
I'm not gonna make a big stink about this, Grant, but check out the car. Just take a look at it.
I hope you do this. I really do.
Let's go. Another yes, baby. Let's go.
lot of yeses.
What dude, it's DJ, who cares? Fucking do it, dude.
Literally the energy is DJ.
Who cares? Just do it. It's gonna like, it'll be shit, and then it's done and painted, and everyone's gonna go, damn, that looks fucking good.
Exactly.
So who cares? Do it. Get to it.
There it
Brian,
is.
come on. DJ. Just match these to little bars, right?
Yeah.
Do a little bar here. Put some fiberglass over.
Foam,
Foam.
right, Ant? Spray
Call
foam,
it a day.
Take it as you want.
noodles.
You know what's crazy? I bet you could fit these wheels on stock body.
What?
You bet you could fit this.
On this, yeah.
No, on this. Enough camber.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
That's what I was saying. You ever seen what are those? The diamond steelies?
Oh,
Yeah.
They're like
15 by 10.
-0.
Yeah.
These are 12. It's a little different. I just wanted your opinion on it, Grant. I knew you'd
I
love
like it.
Hell yeah.
Whatever.
AC compressor. Deleted.
Now I've done trips where I've had 4 days where I haven't driven, 3 days where I haven't driven in a row.
Oh my god, that's so fucking.
Oh man.
Why is
The block might be cracked, dude. That should not be leaking.
that? Would be unfortunate. So I have oil on my shoe.
You can't assume anything until the housing's off. You're 3 bolts away from the housing being off, though.
It's in my
What?
shoe.
It should be leaking oil.
It should?
Yeah. They're the block breather. It's like all there.
I didn't say it was cracked.
I said it might be cracked.
You guys went straight to the fuck. This thing's so.
No, I dusted my shoe. That's what I'm
you're
pissed
talking about.
about.
I thought you were talking about the
I
block.
don't want an oily sock.
Nice. How's that? Attaboy. Look me in the eyes when you do it next time. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Look at that. See? Oil.
DJ,
Looks great.
where'd that oil come from?
In there, I guess. It's an oil trap.
Some nice K20 parts or something on here, you know?
Sponsor
Good to
me.
go.
Grant's gonna sponsor my build.
Don't take your
Durable.
Everyone thinks it's fucking shit.
Durable.
shit and having a good power. So, I should use the power.
Yeah, I don't know what. Alright, I'm gonna clean up and then clean this mess up. So we had to go get Teflon from Johnny next door because the paste didn't work I didn't let it dry. I shouldn't say it didn't work. It's just I filled the compressor up to the full capacity before it cured. Johnny had some good Teflon and Grant is installing it now. Don't strip it, Grant. Throw it on the ground. So the block is pretty much stripped down to nothing. Most of the stuff is useless minus the starter and the intake. Flywheel no good, alternator was bent. AC bracket is in pieces. Like 10 gallons of purple power because the front is crusty. But I think it'll clean up really good. It'll clean up good. Little power wash, little purple power. All right, so a lot has been going on behind the scenes. A lot of cleaning. No, everyone's been asking where you've been. I told them he got a job recently. He's been fucking working.
I'm on welfare.
He's making a shelf to hang up all his Bridgeport equipment. Surprise guest, Tom Johnson is in the building. He's just been cleaning up. Everything's been good. You didn't clean my engine yet, though. How nice it looks. It probably hasn't been cleaned in how long, would you say, roughly? Since the 1700s. Yeah, Alex Djnoway follows in.
Don't follow it.
You don't want it. He doesn't.
Don't follow it.
We got brackets, screws. We're gonna throw the shelves up. It's gonna look nice.
Throw it up.
All right, let's do it. You guys put it up.
We're here.
You see it?
No thanks to you.
No, I was doing business. I had to tell Tom a clutch pedal.
Scammed him.
He walked away for a second. He filled it up.
Look at it.
He's been
Nice
waiting.
shelf.
He's been planning that at work all day.
This was my idea.
No, I thought it was Djnoway.
No, this-
No. It's Djnoway's.
This was my idea.
It's nice and level, too.
Djnoway, don't give it to him. Don't give it to him.
Give it to me. Proper machinist now. He's got the Bridgeport. He's got the tools. He's got the bits.
I'll tell you what, dude's like 3 things.
Let's hear it.
Digging holes, tits, and a nice fucking Bridgeport. All dude needs is
Shelf number 2 above the workbench. It's screaming for a shelf, James. We gotta trim it.
No.
Oh, we could notch it.
No, Malcolm, like this now.
Then stuff will slide down it though.
It's abstract.
Shelves are sick.
Look at it, we're good, we mounted it.
Wait,
Bluetooth.
Don. Shelves should be around the whole shop. There's always shit to put on shelves, I'll tell you. But that looks sick. And don't forget, before you leave, we gotta hang the wire. All this wire. When we wired the 220, Djnoway wanted to put 30 feet of extra 220 wire. Like it's cheap.
I bought it. I'm gonna have to charge you for this.
You guys don't do nothing at work. This is like the Sun level from my perspective. It does.
I'm fucking ready, kid. What do you think?
I'm saying is Djnow's rushing my shelf. He got his shelf, man. Look at how nice and bent those are.
You're not even helping Tom measure the shelf.
No way. There's no way that's zero.
Zero.
Fast forward to it being mounted up. Look at that. Look at that shelf. I don't even know what I'm gonna put up there. Maybe the statue. The home of the statue now.
I gotta do this side still.
I can't put stuff up there yet.
Screw out if you want.
No. Put it in.
No, I'm tired.
No.
Gotta go.
No, please put the last screw in.
I got shit to do.
Maybe next week.
I'm not feeling 100% right now. I gotta.
I'm so happy for this shelf. Big shop mod day. Listen, we're gonna put the sculpture that Jimmy got me up here. And that there. This here. And this here. And this here. Alright, so very productive day. Shop-wise. Djnow cleaned the Bridgeport off. We hung up this nice shelf. It was good. Look at that. Look how nice that looks. It's like if you have a fireplace, it's a mantle. Clean the cabinet up a bit. Still have to like reorganize it a little bit. Waiting on hubs for this thing. Nothing new there. Up a little bit over here. We got the 6-speed for the K series. We got the K series parts. The wires are hung. It's good. Djnow just needs to bring his damn car here now. Soon. Soon, Djnow, right?
Can't get in here.
You could put it in front of it. Or I'll move it. You can move it. Just move it.
Can't get in here. It's tough.
No.
DJ never comes here. Tough to get
I'm here every day.
Not here every day.
Every day. That wraps up today. G was here. We have to go visit him at his shop. It's been a while. So we'll go pay him a visit soon, see what he got, see what he's doing.
You know what they say, pay the piper, pay the pope, you know?
We might do this. I might do this tomorrow. Need to get some Gorilla Tape to tape it all off. It was cold tonight, so we'll clean this thing soon because she needs it. So Djnow, say good day and I'll see you tomorrow.
Good day.
Good day.